with Deborah Ding, who is one of our advanced practice providers here at CCI. She's going to talk to us about some of those first steps after receiving a cancer diagnosis.
Cancer can be a scary thing. Finding out you have it sometimes just takes you by surprise. The first thing I tell my patients, breathe. Just stop, take a breath. In most instances, you have time. A lot of times I have patients tell me they feel overwhelmed, that they feel like things happen so fast, and they do, but you also have time that you can stop and say, okay, what does this mean? What are my options? Where do we go from here?
When it comes to a cancer diagnosis, talk me through the importance of just asking questions to your care team.
This is a good time in the world of cancer. Even in the last 5 years, there's been so many changes in how we treat the disease and how we treat each different type of cancer. And so there are usually lots of options, and we try to tailor it not just by standards of care, but to each patient and what's going on in their life, what their job entails, what their life is like, so we can cause the least amount of disruption in life as well as treat the cancer and get you well. There are times that we can't do that, but most of the time we try to sit down and have an informed conversation about these are options. Let's look at your life and which one would be a best fit for you.
Here at CCI, there are both in-person, online, so many different resources. What is available to patients?
All your people here are your resources. We've got classes, support groups. Everybody in this building, they're here because they want to be here. It's not just a job, and they love to teach and help. And you're not in this alone. We are here to help you and follow you. And if we don't know something, we go ask, we find the answer. And there are so many resources from so many areas that it just makes for a better road to recovery.
Thank you, Deborah, for joining us today and for all of your insight. And thank you all for joining us for this month's App Chat. We will see you next month.